Welcome to Finite Math Online. My name is Mr. Carl Lund. I'm really excited to be your instructor for this course this summer. In this first video, I'm going to show you how the course will look and work. In a second video, I will show you how to use MyMathLab. When you log into the course, you will see the home page. I will occasionally put updates on the home page, so you might want to check that out. When I have an announcement to make to the class, I will use the announcements function in Canvas. You want to make sure you can check those, and please make sure you check your email regularly this summer. The first thing you probably want to do is look at the syllabus. The course syllabus will be posted up here. It isn't quite yet. This is an old one, but it will be there by the time the course opens on May 26th. Most of what you do in Canvas itself is always going to be in the modules section. In the module section, the top module, which is listed as MyMathLab links, is the most important section for you. And specifically, the top four are the big four. You aren't going to have to worry about the bottom three, but these top four links, very important. What you should do immediately is go through the Getting Started information. The Getting Started information includes just some general ideas of what will help you be as successful in the course, as well as information about how the course works, as well as information about best practices for learning online. The course is divided into 8 modules, and each module will run exactly 1 week. It will start on a Tuesday and will end the following Monday. All work for the module is always due on Monday night at 11:59 p.m. Central Time. Work is due at that time. Work will be accepted up to 72 hours late with a 25% point deduction. So make sure the work is turned in on time. Each module will consist of several things. It will consist of a to-do list, and the to-do list will just be a list of things that you should do, including potentially optional activities. At times, there will also be a page of instructor notes, but there may or may not be, depending on the individual module. Other times, instructor notes will be included in the to-do list. Each module includes a PowerPoint for whatever chapters are covered in the module. The PowerPoint comes from your textbook. You do not have to view the PowerPoint if you don't want to. It is just there as an overview for you. And then each module for each chapter also includes a PDF file that comes from your textbook of some of the most important concepts from the chapter. Again, this is entirely optional. It's all stuff that's found in your textbook. Eventually, modules will also include video links. Some of those video links will be resources that I have found for you online that might help you learn the information. And occasionally video links will be like this one for me, where I explain some of the concepts in the module. The video links are always optional. Part of learning online successfully is being a self-directed learner. I know that many of you in the spring, maybe all of you in the spring, had courses that started off in person and moved online. That isn't really what an online course is, because in those courses, your instructors understood that you were in a situation that you didn't want, right? You had signed up for an in-person class and now it had moved online. This is a different situation. This is an online class. It's been an online class from its inception. It hasn't just switched. And so to be successful online means you are going to need to take be very self-directed in your learning online. We'll talk more about that as we talk about MyMathLab in the second video. But having said that, I will occasionally put up videos of key ideas. I will not put up a video of every single idea in the course, however. This is not an in-person course, nor is it a hybrid course. We don't have regularly scheduled class meetings. So to be successful in the course, as I say in learning online, is going to require time management, good study skills, self-direction, and problem-solving skills. I am available for office hours this summer. My office hours are Monday and Wednesday from 2 to 4 p.m. You may use Zoom to contact me via office hours if you want. Now, I want to just be very clear that at office hours, I'm happy to talk about a specific problem you're having trouble with or even a specific concept. But I can't go through every problem of a section with you or every problem of an assignment with you. That's not the point of office hours. But office hours are there. You're also free to always email me. You may either email me using the inbox feature in Canvas or email me using your school email. My email address is clund@iowalakes.edu. If you email me, please use your school email. Because of college policies, I am not allowed to reply to personal emails if I am replying about issues related to class or especially issues related to your grade. So with whatever college you are affiliated, or if you're a high school student or whatever, use that school email address. Do not use your Gmail or Outlook account when you email me, or you can get around that by just sending me a message using Canvas. That will also always work. So basically, for each module, here's the procedure you will do. You will go down to the module and read the to-do list, and you'll sort of follow that. So module 1 has a few more things in it than normal because it's our introductory module. But basically what you will do is you will access your textbook online. Your textbook does not have to be purchased separately. It's included in your course fee. And you should read read whatever sections is given. We are not covering every section in the textbook. You are free, of course, to read other sections if you want, but you don't have to. I give you here some reading and studying tips, which I do strongly recommend you follow. Basically, math is not a spectator sport. You need to work math problems as you're going. But you're going to read the textbook, you're going to study those problems, and then in my math lab, you will complete the assignment. There's an assignment for every chapter that we cover, and then you'll complete a quiz. There's a quiz for every chapter we cover. You can repeat an assignment until you earn 100% on it, and you should do that. You can't do that with a quiz, but you do have 3 attempts for every quiz. There is only one exam in the course, and the exam, it will have a single attempt, and the exam is timed. Your quizzes are not timed. Your quizzes and your exam are considered open book and open notes. However, you need to follow the ICCOC student ethics statement. You must do your own work for quizzes and exams. You may not work together on a quiz or exam, and you may not submit work that is entirely or partially not your own. You may not copy someone else's work or have someone else help you with work and submit it for a quiz or an exam. In the next video, we will talk about, actually before we go on the next video, and then again, there will eventually be, in addition to those PowerPoints that you could view, there will be some videos that you could also view. The videos will typically go up by Wednesday of each module. Sometimes they'll be up early, but Wednesday will be the day that I'm sort of devoting some of my extra time to making videos specifically for this course. So be aware of that. Related to that, it is fine for you to work ahead if you want, and I recommend you work ahead if you can. This is going to be a very jam-packed summer course. That's especially true when we get into modules 3, 4, and 5. There is a lot of material in those modules. So be aware from about June 9th to about June 29th, so the last 3 weeks of June, you are going to be very busy in this class. So please be aware of that. Again, the next video will talk about my math lab and how that works. And if you have questions, again, please email me, clund@iowalakes.edu. Use inbox and Canvas or your personal email, or your school email account, not your personal email account.